All right, today we are making a original recipe from the early 1900s. This is the family's secret prune cake recipe. For it, you will need 1 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 cup of salad oil, 3 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup buttermilk, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 3 cups flour level, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon allspice, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon mace, 1 teaspoon cloves, and 1 cup of chopped prunes. First, we're going to cream the sugar, oil, and eggs together. Then we are going to add the sifted flour and spice alternate with the buttermilk. And we're going to add the part of the baking soda last. And it will be cooked at 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. So as you can see, I already have my 1 1/2 cups of sugar, and I have my spice mixture prepared. Here is our cup of prunes, diced. We have 1 cup buttermilk and 1 cup of salad oil. We're going to add the salad oil. And our 3 eggs. Now we're going to cream this together. Now that that's pretty well creamed, we are going to start by adding our flour. I'm going to put it on top of my spice mixture here. We need to actually make it level this time. And there's 3 cups of flour. Now we can add our teaspoon of vanilla. As you can hear, my hand mixer is wanting to die. It's now time to add our 3 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Level. going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda last. That's a half. That's a whole. Stir this a bit with a spoon, get the sides down nice and clean. It's looking pretty good. This is the consistency we want. And really, that's ready to go. And we're gonna get our pan, a 9x13. Going to get our butter and butter the pan. Now we pour it all in. All right, this is now ready to go in the oven at 350 for 30 to 40 minutes. All right, so it's been about 35, maybe 40 minutes, and I've already checked it once. This cake is very prone to falling, and I have not made it fall so far. So we're going to be very careful. We're sticking a toothpick in to see if it's done. It has a little bit sticking to it, but you could tell from the crack right here that it's pretty much done. So we're going to take it out carefully and let it rest, then we'll frost it. Our cake is now relatively cool. It has flattened a bit, but not too bad. We are now going to apply some frosting to it. What we're going to need is some confectioner's sugar. We're just going to put that into a bowl. And of course we need Grandma's favorite ingredient, spiced rum. Absolutely essential here. Can't do it without the spiced rum. Grandma would be sad. So we're just mixing this up into a paste. Give it a splash more rum. See, that's a pretty thick frosting. We just need a little dash more rum, just a couple drops, and we'll be good. Just a couple more drops of rum. We don't have quite the consistency we want yet. It's not a bad consistency. We just want it to be a little more thin for spreading. You can never have too much rum, right? Just gonna drizzle it on here. We don't need to frost the whole thing right now, but it's looking pretty good. So how's it taste? We've got good texture and good moistness. See, it's not too dry and not too moist. We could have got it a little more moist, but this is an outside piece and we want the inside to be nice and done. But it's looking pretty good. Absolutely amazing. Grandma would definitely approve. This has always been one of my favorite cakes. Definitely a holiday classic, and the rum gives it a very nice kick. I can't stop eating it. I'll eat this whole cake right now. I do love my spice cakes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this family recipe from the early 1900s. Thank you for watching.